Hi guys, my name is Jaron and this is my first day at DAV, so I'm really excited to join this team. My first mission will be to run the DAV environment. See you next day.
Hi guys, welcome to my DailyDAV. I had a really good meeting this morning with Captain Co from Aerodyne and discussed the blockchain summit from yesterday, and also had a big discussion about DAV and the potential and lots of ideas moving forward. So really good day. Thank you.
Hey guys, so yesterday I made some optimization to a few of our marketing channels, and I started working on a new feature for our DAV Alliance page and completed this feature today. Alex pushed it live, and I had a meeting with Tal and Shachal regarding the SkySense integration. So we decided to create a dashboard that will be dedicated for those charging stations. So starting to work on that also today. And this is it, guys. Thanks.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I've been mainly working on Noam's presentation from Singapore at the World Digital Asset Summit. This is it. It's coming out really good. It's a really great presentation that showcases all the great stuff about DAV, and we'll release that next week, so stay tuned.
Hey Davers, Alec here. Today is Thursday, the end of the week. I'm just getting all the positive feedback from our meetup at Google Campus, and I'm lining up some interesting meeting next week with some delegations coming from abroad to check out some new exciting blockchain technology here in Israel. I'm also going into some marketing work for DAV. I'm just going to inspect some of our platforms and see how it goes. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey Davers, today I finished filling up most of the tasks in the Gantt chart, and I'm filling the estimations for them right now to start planning the timetable for the next few months. And I'm also taking care of some minor issues with the KYC server side, so to speak. So see you guys tomorrow.